I'll be talking about how to loosen and repair your laptop keyboards. Maybe you have stock keys and you are trying to fix it. You've hit the button and it's not responding. There are simple methods where you can loosen them and maybe tackle the problem. First of all, you need a set of this. That's a screwdriving set where you have different mouths so that for you to be doing it good. So I'm going to get the mouth that is good enough for me to fix it to my. There are different types of it, not that it must look like this. I'm going to come here. It has to do with clips over here, not screw. Loosen the clips. Place down the clips. And I can now use my fingers to run through it. That I can now bring out this. That's the first layer of the keyboard. Not all keyboards do come with this. Some can just be like this. Now you can see that I have exposed the internal part of the keyboard. So I don't even need to go deep. I can see my particles directly from here. So if I use the blowing system here, it can solve the problem. But if you want to do it one by one, it's left for you by maybe checking it one by one. Like this particular keyboard had issue with the control. So I can come directly there and see what is wrong with it. And maybe get off something. Like I have seen a particle here which I suggest might be the problem. So I've taken that off. But to be on the safe side, you use the blowing system, because the blowing system will do the magic for you. It will just clear off everything. So I believe I've been able to put it straight to you. Just like our page, download our videos from our YouTube channel, and continue following our trails of videos. Thank you.